You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this word correctly in British English and American English. There are different ways of pronouncing it, different pronunciations. If you want to clarify more pronunciations, stay tuned. I've got more videos you'll want to listen to. Curtain is the basic English pronunciation. Curtain. A stress on that cur syllable. The Americans can say sometimes curtain, curtain, alright? Curtain or curtain. Now, you can also use a glottal stop or a glottal stop, as the Americans say. So, American, it's more American pronunciation. This one, curtain, curtain. It's the glottal stop that makes the n sound. It's like mountain, alright? Curtain, that's also a different pronunciation. So, curtain with a proper T, curtain, or curtain, a glottal stop. And now, you know, can you hear the difference? How do you pronounce it and where you're from? Let us know in the comments down below. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.